Good evening friends, welcome to Alpha Technical Sim. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also please press the bell icon. Today let us see the global market first, because you can see Dow Jones has fallen about 4.88%, sorry, 1317 points, 4.88%. Okay, you can see XGX Nifty has fallen by 240 points. 9613 is XGX Nifty. Percentage wise is minus 2.44. Okay, so let us go to our chart today. Okay, this is daily chart. We are introducing this support and resistance, demand and supply zone, that we'll discuss in detail from next week. We will start introducing one by one. See, as discussed yesterday, I told this up move was not supported with volume. If breaks the low, like yesterday low and day before yesterday, market will come down. You can see exactly at the line where we have marked, it has taken the support. Now most probably tomorrow may be a gap down. Okay, so please trade very cautiously. Okay, it should not become a trap. So tomorrow if there is a gap down, we don't know where a 96 is somewhere here, then it will be a at 55-day moving average. 55-day moving average is a strong resistance and strong support. Remember, in any time frame you work, you use 55 EMA. Why 55? 55 is a Fibonacci number. In that, EMA is a very strong. If you add EMA instead of SMA, simple moving average, you mark it as exponential moving average. It acts as a strong support and resistance. Okay, so mostly it may take support here. Okay, tomorrow if there is a gap down, normally if it opens, we don't know. Indian market is very peculiar. Okay, when everybody is expecting, it will not behave in the same manner. Okay, we don't know. If normally it opens, it may take support at 9822, then the next support is 9700 change, the next support is 9665. If that is also taken out, then it will be 9591, which we have discussed 2-3 days back itself, these levels. So tomorrow if it is a gap down, you just check whether it is taking support at our 55-day EMA, right? We'll go to the other setup. Other setup, it is a 50% retracement. Again this 9533 and these points all are same. So 9500 will be the next stop if market gap downs tomorrow. In 1 hour, as I told yesterday, if this breaks this 55 in 1 hour, it will come down. It has come down, right? 55 you can use in all the time frames. So next support will be with 100-day moving average, that is around 98. If there is a gap down, we can't do. If there is no gap down, then 9818, 9800 will be strong support. It may retrace back. The next level is 96. Here it is showing us 9600 change. There in day candle it is showing 9500. So that 100 points, we don't know how Nifty will play out. Okay, if you are using in intraday, please use 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, then it will be very useful. You can see here, this is also 55 EMA. It comes below 55 EMA. See, the entire day it has not crossed 10 EMA. You can see none of the candle has closed. Very clear downtrend today. As it was a Thursday, premium could have been lower. If we had played intelligently, we could have made good money. Okay, now we'll go to our what to call, oh sorry, it's today I have not made 1 minute. 50, 50. Once I'll make video how to use this investing.com. Okay, it will be useful to you people also. Okay, you will know how to use it. See here, today also there is a volume is good. Okay, almost equal to the volume of day before yesterday. Yesterday I told it is this up move is not supported by volume, so it has come down. Here also it is not, but average volume is better today. So the coming down may be, it may be a good down move, so it may come down as the same candlestick patterns are same in all these things. Here I use investing.com to the volume will be very clearly mentioned, it's visible for us. Okay, in MT4 the volumes are not so clearly visible. Okay, again in Nifty I told Bank Nifty, this is Bank Nifty, I told 55-day moving average, it has crossed. So next support will be 20,096. Tomorrow it is a gap down, then it may take support at our 21-day moving average. Again 21 is a Fibonacci number, EMA. All Fibonacci numbers you make EMAs and then you can use it, that will work out. Very reliability is very high with Fibonacci number EMA. Okay, that is the concept behind that. Okay, right. Now the next setup is 1 hour in Bank Nifty. You can see here it has broken our 55 EMA, so it will go down. See, once it comes down 55 EMA, market will go down. Let us see, because tomorrow it is a big day with gap down, we don't know anything. From next week we will be adding RSI analyzation also with this. Okay, so please learn step by step such that we integrate, we make a very reliable platform on which we can start trading. Okay, slowly one by one we will introduce. If I introduce everything together, people may get confused, so may not. So today net seller FII and DI both. So looking at the options chart will be of no use. Okay, maybe if gaps down, then 9,600 is a support. The next support is 9,500. Even in options OI data, as well as in day candle chart, we can see support is at 9,600 and 9,600 support was in 1 hour candle, 9,500 support is in day candle. So those two may act as a support. Okay, right friends. Then we are missing out anything today, analyzation all over. Question of the day, sorry. What is FOMO? See, one of the person has answered it very clearly, right? Fear of missing out. We'll have a video on this shortly. Okay, that people think that market never gives opportunity. Don't think like that. Market always gives opportunity. We have to wait for the right opportunity. You have to follow one system consistently for a longer period of time to make consistent money. Understand? If you want to make consistent money, you have to follow one system for a longer period of time. Clear friends? And question of the day. Today's question I will type. Actually I forgot to type. This is applicable for equity and futures. Okay. Price increase. Okay. Price increase. Volume increase. What is the meaning? Price increase. Okay. Price increases. Okay. Volume increases. Not what is the answer. Okay. Tomorrow we will make one chart. I am not finding time to make chart. I will make one chart and give you about the OI data. Once we finish this also, we will make one chart. I will present it to you. The question of the day is price increase, volume increase. What is the conclusion you are going to make? Okay. This FOMO is fear of missing out. This was yesterday's question, right? Okay friends, I think this daily analysis video is useful to you. Please press the bell icon, thumbs up button. Okay. So see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow, we will see you on, I think, Sunday night. I will post the weekly wrap of the video. Okay friends, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.